just drunk.
Welcome to National Park. We have a great weather today. In my backpack, I have a few beers, wine, tequila, so we have an awesome day. Guys, when you're ready, we can walk through this bridge. We're gonna see Skradinsky Buk waterfalls on River Krka, which is 45 meters.
Wow,
Oh, look at that. So pretty.
wow, this is f***ing epic.
This is so cool.
Oh my god! Look at the foam bubbles.
Hey, sex party girls, be sex party boys.
Everyone say Krka Falls.
Guys, when you can walk to a restaurant, they're ready for you.
Look at this.
Me.
Welcome to restaurant Calypso. Do you want something for drink, maybe?
Can I have a red wine?
Do you have Aperol Spritz?
So you need to eat something.
Yeah, I'd suggest you eat as much as possible.
Yeah, start with the bread. It's over there.
He started drinking like 5 hours before you.
Hello.
Is this dinner?
No.
This is a picnic, guys.
This is a picnic.
We're smashed at the picnic.
I'm trying to eat healthy now.
I'm a little bit up right now.
Everyone's hungry.
What were you girls talking about with Dave in the car?
Sweet Dave was asleep, so nothing.
You suck.
16 more days.
Unless you leave and she stays.
Shut the up.
I'm gonna ignore him. I'm doing good though. I'm ignoring him.
I would love to stay.
You can't.
Unless you left.
You need Lexi. I really don't want to be in this conversation. Really, leave my name out of it.
I've never disliked someone more in my life.
No, wait, guys. The feeling's mutual. The feeling's mutual.
Yeah, I know.
You don't matter in my real world.
Your real word is so phony.
Like literally, you don't matter. You're a nobody. You're a low life.
Do you want to switch me seat? Hey, do you want to switch me seat?
Come and sit here.
No, no one ever puts him in his place. He's a low-legging, hanging chef. He's whacked, and nobody like checks you. So now you know.
But you are the worst person I've ever met.
You're the worst person.
Matthew, go and sit over there.
Shut up.
I don't give a. You're a nobody.
Matthew, go sit over there.
You don't pay my bank account. Like,
Hey, stop being so toxic.
you don't add any money to my like. You literally, you're a low life.
Oi,
Literally.
stop it, Lexi. You both get so f***ing nasty and nobody f***ing needs it.
Like,
Just
no
stop.
one ever texts me. Don't put this shit in my face, bro.